Hello, my name is Lydia Cara. I am the director of APA English Center. We are an academy in Las Palmas of Gran Canaria, which is in Spain. Today I would like to give my feedback on Indian Abacus as we started to work with them this course for Abacus for our students. I have to say we are very happy and pleased with the overall process that we have encountered with Indian Abacus. We believe we have made a very, very good decision after looking at many other franchises and companies that work with Abacus. We believe that we made the correct decision choosing them. There are many reasons why. First, I would have to say they are very committed to helping you in every way, as they're very helpful with any needs you might have. During the whole process, they are available for any type of question or need that you may have. I find this very important as you are not lost with this. For us being a new subject that we are working on at school, we weren't very sure what to expect. But Indian Abacus and the company itself has made it very, very simple for us to take this on. I would also like to speak about their products in general. I am so happy and I find them so good and very well presented. Here we have what is the actual abacus for the students. This is the one that we have decided that we wanted to work on because we believe the methodology is easy, simple, and very effective. We thought about this when we saw it online, but once we have it in our hands and are working with it, we are completely satisfied with its function and with its use. It is very simple to use, and it is very easy for students to work with compared to any other types of abacus we have seen before. So this is the abacus, as you can see. For the brain, it's very easy to identify and to remember visually, which is one of the benefits that Indian Abacus has. This one makes it completely easier and faster for a child to remember and to make memorization of the numbers. As I said, it also comes very complete with the complete books of all the levels. Okay, so we start with the starters pack, which is it's made up of two books, which is book A and book B. I find them very easy to work with and just very well made and very well thought. It also comes with your teacher training book, manual, which is also very useful for us with all the information that we need in order to give the class correctly. I have to say that we also did the training in which they were, I have to give thanks to Indian Abacus for being just so helpful and just, you know, prepared for when we need it. And I am overall very happy with everything, with this whole process that we have done. Like I said, we will continue with Indian Abacus and hopefully we can spread it across Spain, as I believe that this is a really good product, really useful and efficient, and I think that everybody should be able to have the opportunity to work with it. If you have a school, I completely recommend it. and I am very thankful to have found them, and hopefully we'll continue to work with them a lot more. Thank you and have a good day.